Welcome, Tom here. So in this video, what I want to show you is I want to show you a frequent occurrence especially in Forex markets. And as you can see on my screen, I've actually highlighted what I want to talk about. So we have the price. It seems to be going up, everything is okay. And then suddenly what we have is we have a sudden drop of price and a sudden increase in price. And then eventually it just resumes course and starts trading normally. Now, to show you exactly the impact of this sudden change, I'm showing you here 15-minute charts. So we have 1, 2, 3 bars, so about 45 minutes. And in 45 minutes, the price traveled almost 100, well, let's say 120 pips. So it's a massive, massive movement. It did more pips in 1 hour than, say, all of these pips did over the course of these last, say, what is it, 19 December, 20th December, so over this day. Now, I will show you some other of these occurrences as well. Moving forward, everything seems okay. Here we have a really, really long bar. In 15 minutes, it did 73 pips. And then I think here's an even better example where again you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. So in 1 hour, it just smashed through 100 pips, which is more than the average range of pretty much all of these trades. The reason this happens is there are certain news events, and these news announcements, they make people go wild. So the trading, there's a huge volume of trading, and the price, it goes crazy. And what I want to show you is I want to show you a way to predict these price spikes. So either, depending on your trading style, you can either avoid trading during these times or actually start trading during these times to see if you can make a quick profit. Now, this really does depend on the trading style that you're adapting. Me personally, if I see these types of announcements, I rather avoid the markets. I prefer to trade in something like this, which is much more stable and trading within that range. And here's another example where, let's say the average movement is about, well, actually I can show it to you like this. I will draw two trend lines more or less like this. And the distance between these trend lines is about 93 pips. And then we have one candle over here, this green candle, that does almost 200 pips in 15 minutes. Again, this is the market reacting to a news announcement. So here's what you need to be aware of. This resource is very, very important for Forex trading, and it's the forexfactory.com. And we have all of the major announcements around the globe here, and the impact of these announcements is categorized by different color. I want to go back in time. January 6th, 2023. As you can see, yellow means there's little impact on the currency. That's what is predicted. However, when it comes to red, we see here that the currency, Canadian dollar, the impact will be red, and this is the announcement that will happen. Then we have the US dollar, again, red impact. This is the announcement that will happen. The thing is, when every day in the morning when you log in, before you start trading, it might be valuable if you just go to this website, check to see which currencies will have some major announcements. So this was on Friday, January 6th. And personally, I would not trade the Canadian dollar or the US dollar. On Thursday, we see there's one US dollar announcement at 2:15 p.m., which means that before this time you could trade the US dollar. After this time, you can also trade it, but I would say that at 2:15 till about, say, 3:15, something may happen and you may actually see these random spikes, but they are caused by news announcements. And this is the current time. So at this moment it's 11:31 a.m. where I am, and as you can see, it's a nice prediction for the day ahead because there are no announcements that I should be afraid of. For a day like this, I can trade any currency. Tomorrow I can see there will be a Canadian dollar announcement and a US dollar announcement. During these times, I may be cautious and actually just exit my positions or not trade at all. But if my trading doesn't involve the Canadian dollar or the US dollar, then I can trade just as normal. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you in this lesson. If you found it valuable, feel free to like this video, comment if you have any suggestions about future videos or about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.